Hey guys, to calibrate these scales we should this is wheel pads and this is how they are out, and you can't calibrate only one wheel pad, you should calibrate all of them. And to calibrate this indicator with the wheel pads, you should push and hold the secret button. This is the secret button. You should push and hold this button until we don't get to the calibration menu. Now we're in calibration menu. By pushing these buttons, you can change decimal display, percentage display, units. To change units, you should just push 0, and by pushing this, you can change it. To confirm, you should press the secret button. Then we go to the calibration, press 0 button. This is our weight. To change this weight, you can also by pushing these buttons. To confirm this weight, you just push secret button. So now it's asking about left front. 500 kgs we should put on left front.
James?
So we put the weight on the left front and push the secret button to save it. We save this left front 500 kgs. Now we should press this button to go to the next right front. Now we press again right front, we press secret button 500 kgs and we go to the next one, right rear. We have right rear here, again secret button 500, again secret button, and next one left rear. Same thing, secret button, and now it goes again left front, but we already did it. To go out this calibration menu, we just should press on off button and goes back to the menu, and again, and we have left right rear 500 kgs, which is 500 kgs. So that's all, calibration is done.